Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped 2022 not showing. So it's 100% working. So first of all, and of course, you'll need to go and download your Spotify on the App Store if you're using an iPhone and on the Play Store if you're using an Android. Of course, you can even use whatever browser or whatever store you could be possibly using. So once you actually opened your store, just go and download Spotify. And of course, if you found any updates, make sure to update your Spotify to the latest version. So then you will need just to go and open your Spotify account. Of course, if you are not logged into your account, you will need to log in into your account. Or if you don't even have an account, you will need to create one. You will simply create one. And as you can see, you will find this your 2022 Wrapped is already dive deep into the music and podcast you loved most this year. Of course, as we said, if you didn't find that, simply you updated your Spotify, you just downloaded it, so it must has the last update. So what can I do if it's not working for you? So simply there's a simple solution for that. Trust me, all you need to do, just go close your Spotify. Of course, make sure to remove it from here, then turn off your phone. If you turn off your phone, then turn it back on, then all you need to do, go and check for some updates. If you have, maybe if you have some new updates, they will appear into your store. So if you have it, go update it. If you don't, simply only just to go and open your Spotify, because that method worked for me. I just turn off my phone and turn it on, and then I found sorry, this your 2022 Wrapped Spotify. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.